We're now going to look at publishing our sheet set. Now to do that we need to be in our sheet set manager here, in the palettes panel, on the view tab on the ribbon. So sheet set manager, we select our sheet set at the top there. So there's our new house project, and we right click and you'll see the publish option there on the shortcut menu. Now there's lots of options there: publish to DWF, DWFX, PDF, publish to plotter, publish in reverse order. I'm just going to go to the publish dialog box. Now, as you can see there, it brings in the layouts, and I've got my sheet set publish options. I've got a sheet list. So let's save our sheet list first, so it always remembers. So as you can see, it takes on the name of the sheet set there, HDP1 new house project.dsd. DSD is basically a drawing set description file, so it'll remember your layouts that you're going to publish. So I'll save that in the folder there. There's also an example DSD there. So that's been saved. Now we're publishing at the moment to DWFX. Now I don't want to go to DWFX. I want DWF there, like so. Now I've clicked on plotter named in page setup by accident. Make sure you get the right one. Automatically load all open drawings. It's done that for me. And then I save them again. Save it over this one and save again. Do I want to replace it? Yes, I do. Then it remembers the DWF setting. Publish options information. Let's have a look now at our sheet set publish options. Now there's a lot of information here. I'm doing a multi-sheet file. So that's a multi-sheet DWF. I might want each layout to be a separate DWF though. I don't need it in this case because there's only 3 layouts, but if I had, let's say, 200 layouts to deal with, you might want to go for single sheet plots, for example, for each drawing number. Naming, it'll prompt me for the name of the file. Layer information I've included, and merge control lines over right. I don't need password protection for this one, but you may have. Secret information, confidential information on your drawing, you might need it to be password protected. I'm going to include my block information, like so. Sheet set information, I want to include that as well. That's important. We need to know what sheet set and what sheet we're using, so I make sure that I include that information. Group by XREF hierarchy and publish with materials are for 3D DWFs. We haven't got 3D, not yet anyway. So we click on OK. That information is there. Again, save, remember? Save it to your new house project DSD, then it remembers those settings. Yes to replace it. Everything is fine there for sheet names. We've got O1, A1 details, O2, A1 and so on. That's fine. If I select one of those, look, it gives me all the information. It's a DWF plot, it's an A1 sheet size, plot scale 1:1. Now, do I want to include a plot stamp here? Well, maybe I do. So if I click include plot stamp there, I can go here, plot stamp settings, and I can find the parameter file. Do I want millimeters or inches? I want millimeters. And that allows me now to show this information here. Now I'm going to cancel it and untick it. I don't need a plot stamp, but if you do need one, now you know where to find it. Publish in the background, yes. And open in viewer when done, yes. I'm now going to go here. Any changes? I don't need any precision presets or manufacturing or architectural presets, so I set that to none. I'm now going to publish my sheet set, so I hit publish, and it now asks me where do I want to save that DWF file. I'm just going to drop that on my desktop like so, and then I can select a folder where it's going to go, so I'll just drop it into my CAD-FM folder there and hit select. I then select another folder. Can you see I'm drilling down here? Like so. Now I can put it anywhere I like really. I'm going to cancel that there, and I'm not going to publish at the moment. But you can see there that I'm drilling down. If I start publishing, we'll start getting viewers opening and things like that. I don't want that to happen right now. I want you just to be aware of how to set it up ready to publish. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit that publishing in the background, like so, and what will happen is I'll then open that up in the DWF later on in this particular section.